lightning has forced one local family out of their home tonight. They told 4029's Kyle Landberger at first they didn't realize a fire was burning in their attic. They nearly went back to sleep.
We were sleeping and it was like, boom, and we all hugged each other fast.
In the early morning hours, a bolt of lightning struck the buoy's roof.
It basically shook the house, and it shook us all awake, and we were pretty startled.
The power went out and the fire detectors went off.
And it said fire, fire, and there was no fire yet.
We didn't see any smoke. We thought everything was okay. Lights came back on.
After checking all the rooms in the house, David Bowie actually took the batteries out of his fire alarms. But he went outside to take one last look and saw flames shooting out of his roof.
I just ran in the house and, told my wife, because my wife was in bed and, ready to go back to sleep.
They called 911, and firefighters contained the damage to the attic and their living room.
In our house, there was a big hole, and it pushed all the stuff down.
Yeah, so as you can see, you look straight up, and the lightning came in and just, I guess, expanded the air and kind of blew holes on the side of the roof where, it didn't initially cut.
Bowie is from Florida and says when he moved here, he was surprised by the number of thunderstorms in Arkansas.
I grew up with lightning, storms, coming across the ocean, but here it's like right next to you.
Or right on top of your home. Bowie says the fire has given him a new respect for lightning.
I used to fish in the thunderstorms, in Florida and, even here. But, again, it's given me a whole new respect for the elements.
Kyle Landberger, 4029 News.
The Bowies don't have power to their home, so they plan to stay in a hotel until the house is livable again.